Right all, welcome back to Beanie's Hobbies, and in this one we've got something a little bit different, a little bit weird, a little bit out there. Got a multi-tool to look at. Saw this on Heine Haynes, thought it was a little bit different, so we'd give it a go. Now this is made by Coil, and it is a Puna. So we'll just go over the packaging. It comes with a protective hard case, which states it's waterproof, drop proof and dust proof. It says we've got 6 functions. It comes with 5 blades. Now on the back of the packaging here we can see all different functions. I'll just let you have a quick look through that. It's no point me reading it off to you. So yeah, let's get this open and have a little look. I really want to destroy the packaging, but we're going to have to. Jesus. We'll say it's well packaged. Can't get in it. Oh, there we go. Right, we don't need that anymore. Okay, so we've got a little hard case. Quite a hard plastic. Also very hard to undo. I'll cut myself. Alright, so let's have a little look. Let's try not to. It's all metal. So this is obviously barrel. This is going to be the body. A little safety catch down here to release the blade. Now this is obviously, this would actually focus. Now this is the barrel that doubles up as a little tiny Allen key. That's obviously to change the blade. And also we've got the magazines that double up. This one's a Phillips screwdriver. And this one's a flathead screwdriver. And that is all we have in the case. So let's try and get this together. Now obviously the blade will slot down inside. I'm trying not to stab myself. Like so. Locks into place. And this will screw in the front. We've got the mag that goes in the mag well. A handy little, guessing, M4. And if you want to access the knife, it just flips out. And then we've got a scalpel. So it does come with 4 spare blades. They're all the same. Obviously they'll store in the top of the case. just a handy little multi-tool. Now obviously to lock it away, you'll see in the bottom here there's a little hole which that sits in. You need to squeeze the trigger to move the latch back, and then that locks into place. Yeah, it's just a cool little multi-tool. Well, that's it for this one, guys. I thought I'd just show you this. It turned up the other day. I thought it was quite cool, a bit different. Like I say, these are available on Heine Haynes. I think it worked out about £39. It's quite expensive for a little tool, but over here at Beanie's Hobbies, we like to collect anything that's a bit weird and wonderful and out there. So yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you're staying safe. I'll catch you all on the next one. Cheerio!